Umuwi na yung bahay, pre.
Kasi yung sumiyaw ng bahay.
Ang dami mo.
Di ba yan naman gusto mo?
Hindi,
Tubig.
seryoso.
Yeah, you wanted that.
Manny, ah!
I'm chopping wood.
Ang aga.
Nasa wood.
Ako sa inyo dito.
Pre, wood chopping montage pa ako, pre. Wait lang.
Pre, maliit lang naman yun eh. Kaya mo yun, oo.
Dito maliit, bro. 3 big guys. Wait, ba't dalawang many arms?
And they're munching on
Ah!
that
Oh
high.
my God! Ba't dalawang big arms? Aya! Aya! Oh, aya! Hala.
Kanigan mo.
Don't touch me. No! Itong ba agad yun?
Siyempre, nandito ako.
Ay, Erom? It's dead. It's dead.
Si Gollum nandito.
Gagi, punong-puno ng dugo to. So this
I have a dream
What episode is this?
to be a...
Contacts on me, contacts on me. Cave side.
Whoa.
Washing!
Ay, dyan. Tulong mo na.
Sean, kailangan mo ng washing montage.
No.
Gawan kita.
Ayoko na naman
Cue washing montage.
Ayoko na naman ng APOC part 2 pre.
Pre, ano ba? Ayaw mo ba ng content?
Shut up. So we left
Cue washing montage.
Shut up! So we left off on that yellow flag right there, yung cave. Diba, Ivan?
Washing. Yeah, most likely tabi nga.
Bakit talaga yan?
Hello there, Wayfarer. We push onward to Valhalla. Oy, nahulog ako!
Oh, hell nah.
Paano yan? Hey,
Anong
get me
paano
up.
yan, bro? Just jump.
Magdi-respawn naman yan. Sana.
Ano sila? Hindi, kung nasan tayo, nandun sila.
Really?
What's up, boy?
Kababayan.
What's up, homeboy? Set, bro. What's up, set, papi? Uy, naman nito, what the fuck?
He's a big guy.
Tinang niya lahat, yun, grabe. Nice one, Gian. Gian, incoming! We go! Incoming. Where is he going? Where? Diyan naman tayo, alligator. Asan?
Where?
Ito. On me.
I'm drinking.
No, Kadis. Bigla nag-chat sa akin, Fred. Di ako ready. Nagkakamot
Pwede yung makainom. Boy.
Yeah, boy. It's dead. Salamat sa arrows, baber. Oh, hindi ko mapulit yung arrows.
Ay, mga arrows ko.
Hindi ko mapulit yung arrows. Hindi.
Wow, ano yan? Ah, kaya pala yun.
Let's go in. Magkabisa.
Dami kong sticks. I'm at 19 sticks.
Kabisa ba yung daan dito? Magkabisa doon pa. Kabisa.
I don't know, let's see.
Wow, what do you mean you guys have fun there? Sumama ka dito.
Alam, di yan.
Oh, hell no.
Dito.
Ikaw muna. Ah, po. Geronimo. Ay!
Ay! Pagka-close ko na yung inventory ko na yan. Ay, di na dyan. Love you.
Sleep man.
Love you.
Wait lang, chill.
Love you. Apan mo ron?
Wala na sa taas.
Found a picture of the monster guy.
Monster.
Apparently there's a route dito.
The water. Oh shit. Yan. Buti ka lang tumama sa bato!
So,
The fuck is the water? Dito ako nagland. Dito ako nagland. We wait. Diba?
Ito, bili ah. Ito na, ready na.
Ano ma route?
Chasing me! Ito ba yung hole? Ito nga. Ito ba yun?
What is happening here? Ano yun? Ba't nagbukas yan?
Nilagyan ng rocks yun. I will get
I'm gonna take the high ground.
Wait, what is this? It's a rope.
Can I put my bow?
Oh hell nah.
Weird.
I don't like the look of this.
Wow, it's some where is meat stuff type shit, bro.
Eh, di pa ba kayo nakapunta dito?
Holy, hindi pa.
Mother.
Kinat namin yung recording dun eh, sa may gate.
I'm gonna go across. Bala kayo dyan. I'm gonna check. Oop, I guess. Whoa, what's that thumping sound?
It's the water.
Tight crack.
Whoa,
Oh, yes. My favorite.
is that Jay?
Another door.
Gia.
Ang lapit natin sa bahay ah.
Uy,
Oh
ang
shit!
ano?
Guys, guys.
Wait.
Eto na yung ilalim ng ano. This is the bottom of the pit.
Oh wait.
Uy, yung malaking pit.
I don't think one rock.
Oh wait.
Wala. Pick. May kalaban.
This is,
Oh, I see one.
wait, I'm gonna put one more.
Oh.
Incoming.
Ah.
Di sila
Okay,
makadaan,
marami.
Jet. Di sila makadaan. Di sila
Wala
makadaan.
lang.
Wait lang, agro sila. Agro sila.
Use a bow. Yeah. Pwede mo sila i-spear through the ano. Through the walls.
Oh, di gumagana yung bow. What?
Come here, you
What?
bitches. Ayun.
Oh!
So I guess we're not waiting for Jared. All right. I'm gonna build a campfire first.
Ang dami!
Sige, Sean, kaya mo na yan? Ikaw na.
Nice one, Gia. Nice one. Good team effort. Ay, may ano ba?
Sean?
May many hours pala. What the heck?
Dynamite.
Go.
Nice one.
It's dead.
Is that Huzzah?
I was thinking for the
Ay, mga
Kunin yung armor.
arrows
Kunin yung armor. Hurry up. Merong isa pa sa likod ng wall na to. Behind this wall.
Konnichiwa.
Copy that.
Tayo lang natin yung mga mobs dito tapos salisa tayo.
Wait, what's in the heli? Did you guys even inspect the heli?
No.
Sabay pa kayo nagno. Wala, there's nothing here. I guess...
Uy, may machete.
What?
Saan?
Where?
Ito.
Oh, may machete na. Oh, that's cool.
Mas malakas pa
Where?
sa ano.
Oh, I already picked it up. Oh.
Fast attack speed, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, bilis ang attack speed, gago.
Go. Uy,
Machete
upgradable
agad,
siya. It's upgradable.
Wow. Okay, so machete na lang. Ay, hindi. Ay, oo nga no.
I'm doing it.
Oh,
Okay.
guys.
Grenade!
That did nothing!
Yo.
Yung pakman daw.
Sige.
Ah! I'm getting out of here! I can't get out!
Throwing dynamite. Sean, takbo. Ay, di ko sinindihan.
Get out, Pogi! Go, Gian! Oh, God.
I'm out of arrows. There's a guy below me, ah. There's one below me.
Ay, magagi! Ay, yari ko, gago!
Uy! Sakit tong knockback. Where am I?
It's that
I'm low.
Dead. Sa ilalim ko, guys. Sa ilalim ko. Heal muna kayo. I got one below me. A gift.
Okay, immortal. Oh, he's going insane. Shoot it, dead!
Dynamite.
Nice one.
Zed.
Patay na eh. Leche. Ay, pwede pala makuha
I'm gonna
armor
go-
dun. Ay lang, yung isa din ko.
I'm gonna go back sa kabila. Di ko pa nakuha armor.
Isa tayo dito. Let's wait for Jared.
Oh.
What do you wanna do?
You need to clip this right now.
What now?
Watch this. Red Bull X Games. Move. Red Bull X Games. Ah! Hindi ako makakakabit sa... Oh, yes, I made it.
I wanna try. What? Kumana putang. I'm down!
Naniwala si
Saan na ba sa
raining.
kaya? Wow.
Yup.
Finally.
It's raining. Water.
Weh? Gusto ka na gusto ma-acid?
Drink up our water sa base, bro. Drink tayo sa...
Ah. Saan na raft natin?
Ah. Tangina. Sa...
Wala na, iwan na dun.
Ba't ba nga natin iniwan?
Swing, swish, swish,
Washing!
washing, washing,
Gago yung
washing,
May alligator! Gago yung dami
washing,
alligator sa
washing,
baba!
washing, washing. Hulog mo siya doon, Shan.
Huh?
Ay, Shan, talon ka nga. For content.
Okay.
Uy, eclipse!
What?
Right? That moon looks different.
Where's the moon?
Hindi ba ganyan palagi yung moon?
I guess.
Wait lang.
Why is it glowing? Well, it's not
I need
supposed to.
fire.
Where is the moon?
What?
Where is the moon?
Tonight, we steal the moon.
I don't even see the moon.
Happy birthday, Shan.
Di ba dapat si Ivan gumawa niyang birthday niya next month?
Ah, Ivan, liga tita.
Naghahanap ka na excuse para di ma-damage eh.
Oh, yung lizard na nga, tagas lang. Avagar, it's your birthday next month, you gotta do this.
Patay na tama yung lizard.
That's not...
Nah, ikaw na.
Shan,
It's your
happy birthday.
next month, bro. It's not even my
Shan,
Ikaw na.
happy birthday.
Oh, dog!
O, di ba, boy ka naman
Happy
eh.
birthday!
It's your turn, Ivan.
Happy birthday.
It's your turn. Happy birthday,
Ako.
Ivan.
Ikaw?
You just stole that body. Catapult. Oh, fuck. I missed it.
Magkano ba yun? Patay nga ako niyan.